Balancé just the steps, have fun, enjoy. 3 steps. Watch me, okay? You follow here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you see the 3? I'm on releve and plie, releve. Yeah, I need that releve. Okay, when you do that releve, you make this step up, down, down, up, down, down. So much wave, so pretty. Right now you do 2 flight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See? 2 flight. Yeah, so everybody follow me again for this. I know the step you learned before. Okay, you know the step, but I want to see the quality right now. Okay? So I start from RC gun because we finished 2 RC gun, right? Right now already on reader, I standing very tall. And then I do balance, I plie, I go lower and taller. And then go up. Go. Go, go, go. By yourself. Don't follow me. Yeah, I need releve. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it. I think we should break it down again. Okay, watch me. I start from releve RC gun, right? Releve RC gun. That is the position. No matter how many times you do, you're always in the position, have this position. Okay, you cannot go from here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now I need this releve. Releve. 1. Back through here, front through here. You see, I releve again RC gun. I go on next one. I always go start high releve RC gun, move on balancé. Try. Yes, good, Sabrina. Okay, I am about to do 4 of